Hi guys, in this tutorial, we're going to cover how to open a port for incoming traffic in Windows Firewall. Let's dive in. Right-click the Start button in the bottom left corner. Click Search from the menu that pops up. In the search box, type Windows Firewall and you'll see it appear in the results. Click on Windows Firewall to open it. Now you should see the Windows Firewall control panel. On the left side of this window, you'll see a link that says Advanced Settings. Go ahead and click on that. This opens Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security. In the left frame, you'll see several options. Click on Inbound Rules. These are the rules that control what traffic is allowed to come into your server. Now, in the right frame of the window, you'll see an option that says New Rule. Click on that to start creating your new port rule. A wizard will pop up. The first screen asks what type of rule you want to create. Select Port and then click Next. On the next screen, you need to choose the protocol. You'll choose either TCP or UDP, depending on what your application requires. For this example, let's say we're opening a TCP port. In the text box next to it, type the port number you want to open. For example, if you're opening port 8080, just type 8080. If you need to open multiple ports, separate them by commas like 8080, 8443, 9000. Click Next. On the next screen, make sure Allow the Connection is selected, then click Next again. Now you'll choose when this rule applies. By default, all three options, domain, private, and public, are checked, which means this rule applies in all network scenarios. For most server applications, you'll want to leave all three checked. Click Next. Finally, give your rule a name. Use something descriptive like my application port 8080 so you can easily identify it later. You can also add a description if you want. Click Finish. And that's it. Your application should now be able to receive incoming traffic on that port. You can verify your new rule by looking through the inbound rules list. You'll see it there with the name you just created. I hope you found this video helpful. As always, if you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to our 24/7 technical support.